What are you saying, YouTube? Young DABO has dropped a mixtape with 3 songs in it. So we're gonna give it a listen. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment your favorite song. And don't forget to watch other videos as well. So let's watch the video. Fuck with the beat, I fuck with the beat, I fuck with the beat.
I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. My life a movie, bitch. Lights, camera, watching, bitch. I got the OG mad, they see me on they blogs and shit. I went back to the trap, I spit they back on Rick. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded.
Don't hate, this is not bad.
I said I'm fully loaded. I said I'm fully loaded.
I said I'm fully loaded. Hey,
hey. That I can barely focus. Now they see me pop my shit, quiet, hocus pocus. They see the green coming, now they say I'm chosen. They see the green coming, now they say I'm chosen. D-diamond dancing on my body, know I'm chosen. D-diamond dancing on my body, know I'm chosen.
Okay, DABO, I see you.
I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. My life a movie, bitch. Lights, camera, watching, bitch. I got the OG man, they see me on they block.
I really love this flow.
To the trap, I spit they back on Rick. I said I'm fully loaded, bitch. I said I'm fully loaded. I said I'm fully loaded. I said I'm fully loaded. I said I'm fully loaded.
If I was on FL Studio, I can make something better than this, and I fully believe that. You know, it's always about the Vontae, everyone. It's always about the Vontae and his music, gang. Can you just see the song's good or bad? Like, bro.
You better sing this fucking song.
You better sing the song like you're in the choir hole. So he's just posting his snippets. But I like the song, I'll be real. I like the song.
Sing the song like we in a choir hall. She know all the lyrics and she from Mexico. I only fuck her once, then I go to audios. She keeps screaming my name like an audio. But I'm a young pimp, nigga, I need bankrolls. I'm just like Machiavelli, I need pesos. I need like 50-50 for a fucking show. Me and Twin hit the gritty, then rock the show. These niggas can't get up with me, all you niggas bro. Then you a American, why you peeping me on low? I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show. I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show. I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show. I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show. You better sing the song like you in a choir hole. You better sing the song like we in a choir hole. She know all the lyrics and she from Mexico. I only fuck her once, then I go to audios. She keeps screaming my name like an audio. But I'm a young pimp, nigga, I need bankrolls. I'm just like Machiavelli, I need pesos. I need like 50-50 for a fucking show. Me and Twin hit the gritty, then rock the show. These niggas can't get up with me, all you niggas bro. Nigga, you a American, why you peeping me on low? I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show. I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show. I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show. I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show.
Yo, this ain't half bad, bro.
I'ma rock the fucking show. I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show. I'ma rock the show, I'ma rock the fucking show. I send a bad bitch to the fucking grill. Lights on, cameras on, beat the pussy like a muffin. Beat the pussy like a muffin. Young DABO never stop it. Black Uzi, hoe, watch it. Bad bitch, you know I got it. Young DABO never stop it. On next and you can solve it. Need a fan cause I've been wildin'. You better sing this fucking song. You better sing a song like you in a choir hole. You better sing a song like we in a choir hole. She know all the lyrics and she from Mexico. I only fuck her once, then I go to audio. She keeps screaming my name like an audio. But I'm a young pimp, nigga, I need bankrolls. I'm just like Machiavelli, I need pesos.
I like this beat a lot. better sing this song like we in a choir.
I'm in LA in the hell, this shit so amazing. I'm with a dancer, bitch, she doing crack, I think she Asian. I like all my bitches, fine, I like my bitches Cajun. I'm in a Beamer going fast, I push it like a spaceship. She in the car with her friends, I tell her friend come take it. They came to par with this right, they tryna come and take it. They came to par with this right, they
Bro,
tryna
he's
come
flowing.
and take it. Up all night going up in a function. She took the red pen in the blue, she say it's bussin'. And my favorite color blue, but you never catch me fussin'. They say you my bitch, but you don't got my name tapped in. And all my haters be my friends, I know they tapped in. And all my bitches, they top 5, they the baddest. And I swear it's fuck, all my exes, they in the corner watching. Pocket stay adding, pocket stay adding. Money talk adamant, she did win her hand, she did win her hand, she did win her hand. I'm my body in a trance, I'm my body in a trance. Do my dance, running man, do my dance, running man. I can't stop, do my dance, I can't stop, do my dance, I can't stop,
Do my dance.
I can't stop,
Do my dance.
I'm in LA in the hell, this shit so amazing. I'm with a dancer, bitch, she doing crack, I think she Asian. I like all my bitches fine, I like my bitches Cajun. I'm in a Beamer going fast, I push it like a spaceship. She in the car with her friends, I tell her friend come take it. They came to par with this right, they tryna come and take it. They came to par with this right, they tryna come and take it. But we up all night going up in a function. She took the red pen in the blue, she say it's bustin'. And my favorite color blue, but you never catch me fussin'. They say you my bitch, but you don't got my name tapped in. And all my haters be my friends, I know they tapped in. And all my bitches, they top 5, they the baddest. And I swear it's fuck, all my exes, they in the corner watching. Pocket stay adding, pocket stay adding. Money talk adamant, she did win on hands.
With no hands, with no hands. I'm a color and the fans, yeah. For the twin, for the twin. I'm a pass it to the pro, cause we get money, everything. Yeah, we gon' win. We gon' win. I ain't gonna lie, Dabo. I'm not gonna lie. For a first EP, bro, from where Dabo came from, this guy came. If you remember that double OD bullshit he made, double OD, bro, from double OD to this, in that short amount of time, bro, that is crazy progress, bro. And the thing is, a lot of people are gonna hate because it's young Dabo to stream all of that. No, that this is actually good music. This is actually, he's not even putting out slot. Like, you can tell he put his time, hard work into this shit, bro. This is actually good stuff from him. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know, bro, but I'm proud of bro. Like, shout out Dabo. This is a great project. Oh, you finished the video? Well, here's another one right here, man. Go enjoy that one as well. And make sure to subscribe and like the video.